Hello friends, welcome to channel ETL. Today we will discuss about some questions and their answers about transformer. Let's start. The first question is, which type of transformer is used for high frequency application? The right answer, ferrite core transformer. Next question. What is the relationship between primary voltage E1 V1 and secondary voltage E2 V2 in an ideal transformer? The right answer, E1 equals to V1 and E2 equals to V2. Next question. What is the function of conservator in transformer? The right answer will be allows expansion of oil level due to load variation. Next question. Which loss of transformer is determined by short circuit test? The options are core loss, windage loss, hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. The right answer will be copper loss. Next question. Calculate the voltage regulation in percentage of the transformer if the no load voltage is 240 volt and full load voltage is 220 volt. I will tell you the formula first. The voltage regulation equals to no load voltage as abbreviation Vn minus load voltage that is equals to VL divided by VL into 100%. If we put the data, that is 240 minus 220 divided by 220 into 100%, that will be 20 divided by 220 into 100%, that is will be 9.09%. So the answer will be D. Next question. What is the purpose of using laminated core in transformer? The right answer will be reduce eddy current loss. Next question. What is the cooling method of transformer. Here we see a picture and we see this is the oil natural cooling. So the right answer will be oil natural cooling. Next question. To 25. What is the condition for obtaining maximum efficiency for transformer? To get maximum efficiency, the condition will be copper loss equals to iron loss. So the answer will be copper loss equals to iron loss. The answer will be C. Next question. What is the function of top float switch of Buchholz relay in transformer? The right answer will be activate all overloading condition. Next question. Why the core of current transformer is having low reactance and low core losses? The right answer will be to minimize the error in reading. To minimize the error of reading will be right answer. Next question. How the error in reading of a potential transformer can be reduced? The right answer will be the option D, providing good quality core material. Next question. Why the load is disconnected before the off-load tap changing operation? The right answer will be to avoid heavy sparking at the contact point. So, the option C will be the right answer. Next, here we see a picture. What is the name of the part in power transformer? The name of the power transformer, here we see, is Buchholz relay. So, the D will be the right answer. Next, which condition is absolutely essential for parallel operation of two transformers? The right answer, the phase sequence of the two transformer or many transformer will be the same. So, the answer of the question will be option C, that is phase sequence will be the same. Next question. Which construction technique is used to reduce copper loss in large transformer? In case of large transformer, we use stepped core arrangement to reduce the copper losses. So the right answer will be option D, use stepped core arrangement. Next question. Here we see a picture. What is the name of the transformer? The name of the transformer is air core transformer. So the option A will be the right answer. Next, 234. Which transformer is used to measure high voltage installation? The right answer will be option C, that is potential transformer. Next question. How does the moisture is controlled in breather fitted on power transformer? We use silica gel in the breather to control moisture. So the right answer will be using silica gel. Option A will be right answer. Next, which power loss is associated by open circuit test on transformer? The right answer will be iron loss or core loss. Iron loss and core loss are the same meaning, so the answer will be core loss. Next, which is determined by the crackle test of transformer? The crackle test is done for determining the moisture, so the right answer will be the moisture, option B. Next question. Which material is used to make core of power transformer? The material used to make the core of a power transformer is cold rolled grain oriented silicon steel. Cold rolled grain oriented silicon steel, that is the CRGO silicon steel. So as the D option is cold rolled grain oriented, so D will be the right answer. But the exact material is cold rolled grain oriented silicon steel or CRGO silicon steel. In the next question, we see a picture. What is the name of the transformer? This is the core type transformer, so the B option will be right. Next question. What is the purpose of providing explosion vent in power transformer? The right answer will be pressure releasing. So the option C will be the right answer. Next question. What is the function of Buchholz relay in power transformer? The Buchholz relay in a power transformer protects from overloading and short circuit. So the option D will be the right answer. Next question. Why primary of potential transformer is wound with thin wire and large number of turns? It is done due to offer high inductance. It is done due to offer high inductance, so the A will be the right answer. Next question. Why distribution transformers are normally connected as primary in delta and secondary in star? It is done to easy distribution of 3-phase 4-wire system. So option D will be the right answer. Next question. Which type of EMF is induced in an ideal two-winding transformer? The right answer is mutually induced EMF. So B will be the right answer. Next. How to determine copper loss in a transformer? The right answer will be short circuit test. Next question. Why ferrite core is used in radio receivers? The right answer will be to reduce the constant losses. Option A will be the right answer. Next. What is the advantage of stepped core arrangement in large transformer? It is done to minimize the copper use or minimize the copper losses. So the option A will be the right answer. Next question. Which material is used in breather to prevent moisture entering in the transformer oil? So we already discussed, it will be the silica gel. So A will be the right answer. Next question. What is the disadvantage of auto transformer? The right answer will be option D, cannot isolate the secondary winding. Cannot isolate the secondary winding. It is the right answer. So option D will be the right answer. Next question. Which cooling method is used in pole mounting distribution transformer? In case of pole mounting distribution transformer, the cooling system is oil natural cooling. That is the oil natural air cooling, air natural. So the option D will be the right answer. My dear viewers who are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe and also like if you are agree. The next question, very important question. What is the composition of steel and silicon steel in a transformer core? The composition is steel 93% and silicon 7%. The composition is steel 93% and silicon is 7% to make silicon steel for transformer core. Today's last question. What is the purpose of tap changing in power transformer? The right answer will be change voltage ratio in distribution. So the B will be the right answer. Thank you all the viewers. Have a nice day.